The transition to retirement process to make the lifestyle change from working to retirement has 6 process steps. The following is a brief overview of these process steps. The book How to Successfully Make the Lifestyle Change from Working to Retirement covers all these process steps in detail. In process step 1, some event causes you to seriously consider and then justify retirement. This usually occurs when you experience your retirement tipping point. In the second process step, you define with data the status of your working lifestyle's retirement enablers of finance, fitness, and fun. In the third process step, you define with data your anticipated retirement lifestyle retirement enablers of finance, fitness, and fun based upon what you know at this point in time. In process step 4, you compare your working lifestyle's retirement enablers that we defined in process step 2 to your anticipated retirement lifestyle's retirement enablers that were defined in process step 3. The difference between your working lifestyle and your anticipated retirement lifestyle's retirement enablers identified and documented. The identified difference may indicate what retirement implementation actions you may have to complete to successfully make the lifestyle transition from working to retirement. In process step 5, you develop your retirement implementation action plan to achieve your anticipated retirement lifestyle. At this point in the process, you should be able to determine if your anticipated retirement lifestyle is attainable. Based upon the retirement-related data that you defined in process steps 2 through 4, you should be able to make your final decision to retire or not to retire. In process step 6, you implement your transition to retirement lifestyle process plan to achieve your anticipated retirement lifestyle. This is a listing of additional YouTube videos on how to successfully make the lifestyle change from working to retirement. These retirement lifestyle educational videos are based on the book How to Successfully Make the Lifestyle Change from Working to Retirement. The book is available on eBay and Amazon.